Today, we're cooking a Hawaiian-inspired expedition paella, a pan built like a map, Spanish technique, island brightness, and volcanic drama. Start with olive oil in a wide paella pan until it shimmers like coastal sun. Add pork shoulder, also called pork butt, cut into 1-inch cubes. This cut matters. Its marble fat and collagen keep it juicy through the open pan simmer. Sear it hard. We want a deep golden crust. The kind of roar you feel standing near Wailua Falls on Kauai. Lush, powerful, alive. Once the pork is browned, open a space in the center. Add minced garlic and cook it briefly, just until fragrant. Now the pan turns darker, richer, more dramatic, like Punalu'u Beach with black sand under scarlet sunset. Add chopped tomatoes and paprika. Cook the garlic, tomatoes, and paprika for exactly 2 minutes, reducing everything into a thick, concentrated sofrito. Then, fold the pork back through that deep red base. Next comes the expedition moment. Pour in hot pork stock infused with saffron threads. Let that golden liquid surge around the pan like the strange geography of Krenitsyn Volcano. A caldera within a caldera, an island inside a lake, inside a volcano. Bring it to a vigorous boil. Now distribute the paella rice evenly across the liquid. From this point on, no stirring. Not once. Let the grains settle, drink, and form that prized socarrat, the crisp, toasted layer at the bottom. Drop the heat to low and let the pan work. In the last 5 minutes, scatter fresh pineapple chunks over the top so they warm through without losing their brightness. Then turn off the heat and rest the paella for 5 minutes. What you get is saffron gold, volcanic red, juicy pork, sweet pineapple, and a crust worth traveling for.